Episode 16. Arthur's point of view. T got two panic attacks in less than half an hour because of revealing the truth behind the rainy day. Hobie gave him sleeping shot so that he can sleep peacefully. In the morning, he got high fever because of trauma, but he didn't tell this to anyone. For him, it was all normal. He was used to it. When Cookie touched his wipe his tears but realized he had high fever, he quickly informed to everyone. Cookie became T's super strict instructor. He didn't let T to do any work and took him in his room. Hanks were feeling pity on T because now he has to face Double Bunny, who is very dangerous. They all already experienced that. Cook wrapped T in 10 bed sheets and covered him with thick blankets so that he couldn't feel cold. Jimin tried to stop him, but he didn't listen to him. Jin somehow rescued T and scolded Cookie. Hobie came back and checked T and gave him an injection too. In the evening, when everyone was busy in their work, Cook tied T's leg with lampshade and fed him carrot which he brought don't know from where. T unwillingly ate that, but then he gave him grass to eat. He mistaken grass as spinach. Hobie told him that T has low blood problem because of not getting proper diet, so he needs to eat lots of carrot and spinach which help him to make blood. When T denied to eat grass, then Cookie stuffed that in his mouth. T started crying and Cookie wiped out his tears. He was mentally screaming, but no use. Here wasn't anyone to help him. Suddenly, door opened, revealing Jin. Let's see what happens next. Cook wiped his tears. Tata, please don't cry. Cookie's heart ached. Cookie's doing this for Tata's good health. Tata needs blood na, and blood will come from spinach. Eat it na. See, Cookie brought so many spinach for Tata. Showed him the bundle. T looked at the bundle of grass with terrified eyes and started crying more loudly. No, I won't eat that, please. Cook wiped his tears. Tata, please don't cry na. Cookie wants to make Tata super strong like Cookie. Now start eating. Tata should eat fast. After this, Tata has to eat more things. T more terrified. Please. Cook, I know my Tata is so strong. Please eat it na. T, it bitter. Cook, Tata, don't worry. Cookie will give Tata cookies, all the lollipops, and this week's chocolate too. But please finish it na. T, I can't. Cook, please. T was crying mess and Cookie was wiping his tears. Suddenly door opened and revealing Jin. He was holding lots of bags as he went to buy fruits, vegetables and other things for T, which helps to increase his hemoglobin. He didn't notice T cook. He removed his sleeper near the door and came inside. T saw him and got some hope. He looked at him with teary eyes and said, teary eyes, Jinny hungry. Hearing his voice, Jin looked at him. He was sitting on the floor and crying a mess. His mouth was stuffed with green leaves. Cook was sitting on the floor and wiping his tears. Jin put the bag on the floor and immediately went to T. Jin, T, what happened to you? Why are you crying? OMG, who stuffed leaves in your mouth? T didn't say anything. He just hugged him tightly and started crying loudly. Cook, Ginny hungry. Tata's tap broke. He's crying since a long time. Cookie's hands tired to wipe Tata's tears. But Tata isn't letting the need to stop crying. If Tata cry like this, our house will drown. Then where will Ginny hungry, Junie hungry, Hopi hungry, Meow Meow, Minnie hungry, Cookie and Tata live? Jin angrily looked at him. Definitely you did something, that's why he is crying like this. Cook, Cookie didn't do anything, Ginny Yangi. Please don't look at Cookie like this. Cookie is all innocent. Jin, I know very well how much innocent our Cookie is. Tell me, what did you do? Cook, seriously, Ginny Yangi, Cookie didn't do anything. Cookie is only taking care of Tata and helping him. Cookie is a good boy, na? Jin looked at tea. Tea, spit it. What are you eating? Cook, no, Tata, don't spit it. You have to eat everything. Understand? Warned him. Jin looked at Cook. You little devil, shut your mouth. Don't you dare to threaten him. I will beat you with my pink slippers. Cook, why would Ginny Yangi beat poor Cookie? Poor Cookie only helps Tata. Jin, Tea, didn't you listen? I said spit it. Tea slowly looked at Cook and shook his head vigorously. You don't need to afraid from him. Spit it, I'm here with you. Tea spit the grass and started coughing. Jin patted his back. It's all right, I will clean everything. Cook, it's okay, Tata. Cookie has another bundle. Cookie will feed Tata that. Don't worry. Jin, Cookie, why I'm feeling like you will get good beatings from me? Cook, beatings? Why would Cookie get beatings? Bad boys get beatings, na? But Cookie is a good boy. Cookie will get reward, not beatings. Jin, shut up, just shut up. Tea, tell me what happened and what's this? Why are you eating this? Are you hungry? If you're hungry, then you should tell to Minnie or Hobie. They will give you something to eat. Cook, Hobie Angie is busy in his important call. He said don't disturb him and Minnie Angie is attending his online class. Jin, and what about you? Class? Don't you have any class to attend? Cook, online classes are only for big boys, but Cookie is small, na? So Cookie doesn't has any online class. Jin, then go and learn your course. Cook, no, na. Cookie can't go anywhere. Cookie has to take care of Tata, na. Cookie can't leave Tata alone. Cookie has to make Tata super strong like Cookie. Cookie has a big wrist. Things hard. Jin, responsibility. Cook, yeah, this tough food. Cookie has so many tough food, na. Cookie can't go anywhere. Jin, Cookie, baby, please shut up. My head is already hurting. I really don't have any energy left to talk with you. Cook, oh, Ginny Yangi's head ache. Wait, Cookie will give Ginny Yangi massage by Cookie's strong hands. Then Ginny Yangi will be fine. Jin shouts, Minnie! Cook, Ginny Hangi, why are you calling Minnie Hangi? Minnie Hangi has a small pee hands. Minnie Hangi can't give you best head massage, but Cookie can give. See, Cookie's big and super strong hands. Showed him his hands. Jin looked at him with sudden face. Minnie! Jimin ran there. Yes, Ginny Hangi, what happened? Why are you reeling? Looked at T, who was crying while hugging Jin. T, what happened? Why are you crying? Looked at Cook. Cookie, now what did you do with him? Cook, innocently. Mini Hanky, don't look at Cookie like this. Cookie didn't do anything. Ginny Hanky's head is aching, so Cookie said Cookie will give him head massage by Cookie's big and strong hands. But don't know why Ginny Hanky called Mini Hanky. Mini Hanky has small pee-pee hands now. Jimin, shut up, you brat. Cook. Why would Cookie shut up? Cookie didn't do anything wrong, but then also everyone was only scolding poor Cookie. Jin, Minnie, go and bring my pink sleeper. He won't stop talking now. My pink sleeper will talk with him. Cook, scared. No, Cookie silent. Cookie won't say anything now. Put his right index finger on his lips. Jin looked at him, then T, now tell us what happened. Why are you crying? Jimin, yes, T, you don't need to escape from this brat. Tell us now, what did this brat do with you? Cook, Cookie isn't brat. Cookie is a good boy. Jimin brought wet wipes and cleaned T's face. T, don't look at him. T, he told to me eat this when? Cook, oh poor Tata, tell everything clearly na. Wait, Cookie will tell you. Cookie brought this spinach for Tata, but Tata was denying to eat that. But Cookie has more part than Tata na. Tata is weak, so Cookie stuffed spinach in Tata's mouth. Cookie promised to Tata that if Tata will eat all these spinach, then Cookie will give Tata his all the lollipops and this week's chocolate too. But then also Tata didn't stop crying. He is only crying and crying. If Tata will cry like this, then our house will drown. Then where will we live? Jimin, what? Jin looked at a bundle which Cook was holding. It's not a spinach. Who told you that this is spinach? Cook, no one. Cookie is intel things hard. Jimin, intelligent. Cook, yeah, this tough word. Cookie is so tough word na. Cookie knows spinach is a green leaf. Jimin, Cookie isn't intelligent. Cookie is a dumb. Jin, Cookie, not all the green leaves is spinach. Spinach has big leaf. Cook, then watch this. Innocently showed him bundle. Jin, it's a grass, not a spinach. T, see, I told him that it's not a spinach, it's a grass. But then also he stuffed that in my mouth. Cook, whatever Cookie did was only for Tata's betterment na. Cookie wants to make Tata super strong like Cookie. Jin, where did you get it from? Cook, Cookie shows this a lot, but Cookie didn't find it in our house. Then Cookie went outside, but Cookie didn't find any good spinach there. They all were so dirty and hard. Then Cookie went to Juni Hangi's baby's house, flower garden. There was so many soft and clean spinach. Cookie brought some for Tata. Jimin shocked. What? You have taken this grass from Junhyang's flower garden? Now he won't leave you. He will be mad on you. Cook, why would Junhyang mad on Cookie? Cookie first take permission, then brought this spinach for Tata. Jin shocked. You took June's permission. Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie took permission from his babies. After all, from Cookie went to them and told them everything. Juni Hangi's babies are so kind-hearted. They easily give permission to Cookie to take spinach for Tata. And where did you get that carrot which you feed me? Jimin, what? You already fed him carrot? Cook, yeah, carrot is good for Tata na. Jin, while holding his head by his hand, where did you get that from? Cook, from Juni Hangi's babies. When Cookie was returning from Juni Hangi's garden, then Cookie saw a baby rabbit was eating the carrot peacefully. He has two carrots. Cookie asked one carrot from him, but he was very stubborn rabbit. He started running, but that baby rabbit didn't know. No one can run faster than Cookie. Cookie caught him and took one carrot from him, but then that baby rabbit became sad, so Cookie gave him cookies to candies. Ginny Hunky, can you bring a big carrot for Cookie? Jimin, why do you wanna eat carrot? Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie will give that big carrot to that baby rabbit. He will become so happy. Jin shook his head in disbelief. I don't understand. What should I do with you? Cook hugged him tightly. Ginny Hanky should love Cookie. Everyone should only love Cookie. Cookie is a good boy, na? Jin smiled and patted his head. Cookie, I don't understand. Should I scold you on your foolishness or praise you for being this much concerned for Tea's health? Cook, Cookie only wants to help Tata. Cookie doesn't like when Hobie Hanky gives Tata big monster needle. It hurts na. Jin, but baby, you should understand that you can't feed Tea anything without asking from others. Tea, did you eat any grass? Tea shook his head vigorously. No, I only chewed it. It was so bitter. Jin, it's alright. Go and brush your teeth. I will make some tasty dish. It will remove your bitterness. Minnie, go and help him. Jimin, okay, Hank. Left with Tea. Cook, Ginny Hangy. Cookie also wanna eat tasty dishes. Jin, but first promise me that you will never feed anything to Tea without any Hank's approval. Cook, Cookie promised to Ginny Hangy that Cookie first show to Hangy, then give anything to Tata. Jin, my good boy, now let's go and prepare some tasty dishes for Cookie and his Tata. Time skipped. After the dinner, everyone was sitting in the living room and Jin was telling everyone what did our Cookie do with Tea. Yoongi went to attend the call. Jin, so this happened today. If I didn't come at right time, then he probably fed him grass. June, but I don't understand who told him to feed spinach to Tea. Cook, Hobie Hangy told to Cookie that Tata's homolily is very low. Jimin, wait, homolily? Hobie, he means hemoglobin. June, wow, hemoglobin become homolily. Great. Cook, yeah, this tough food. Hobie Hangy said Tata's homolily is very low, and to increase that, Tata should eat lots of carrot and spinach. Jin, Hobie, you should show him spinach pics too. Hobie, I showed him Yang, but you know na, our Cookie never listened to anyone. Jimin, that's the truth. He only listened half thing, then ran away after that. Create huge mess. Cook, because Cookie doesn't wanna waste time na. By the way, Hobie Hangy, we know Tata is 18 years old, but when will we celebrate Tata's birthday? Juni Hangy didn't tell the date and month to Cookie. Hobie, that's the good question. We don't know about Tea's birthday. Jin, then we will fix one date for Tea's birthday. Jimin, that's a good idea. Tea, tell us, when do you want to celebrate your birthday? We will celebrate it on that day. You can choose any date. Tea, I don't know. Whatever date you all will select for me, I will celebrate it. I don't know what is birthday called. Cook, don't worry, Tata. When we all will celebrate your birthday, then you will understand everything. June, I have a suggestion. T and Minnie are same age, so why don't we celebrate their birthdays together like T is Minnie's twin? What do you say? Hobie, that's a good idea. Cookie liked it. Jen, I'm okay with it, but only if Minnie is ready to share his birthday with Teen. Jimin, I don't have any problem with this. I will happily share my birthday with Teen. Cook, then it fixed. We will celebrate Tata's birthday with Minnie Hungy's birthday. Yay! Jungi came there. What's happening here? Any good news? Cook, meow meow, we decided Tee's birthday. Jungi, oh really? That's very good news. Tell us, when is Tee's birthday? Cook, on Minnie Hungy's birthday, we will celebrate their birthday together. Jungi, certainly. No, it can't possible. We can't celebrate Tee's birthday on Minnie's birthday. Minnie won't share his birthday with Tee. June, but Hyang, Minnie is ready. Jungi, because he is fool, but I'm not. We can't celebrate Tee's birthday with Minnie's birthday, and that's final. No argument over this. Left from there. Target 300 plus likes for 20 minutes long episode. To be continued. Arthur's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. What do you think? Why did Jungi deny to celebrate Tee's birthday on Jimin when Jimin is already ready for this? He doesn't has any problem with this. Is this because of Jimin or there is any other reason? Think. I'm really very disappointed from you all. Every time I have to remind you to complete 300 likes. You only watched the video and then left. If I can make 20 minutes long episode, then you all at least can do 300 likes. It's not a big deal. So now I have decided I won't remind you about the likes. If 300 likes completed, then I will make 20 minutes plus long video. If not, then I will make 15 minutes long video. Why would I put this much effort when you aren't ready to support me? Now choice is yours. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.